Hello, little friends. Do you like playing games but don't like doing homework? You're not alone. Today, Krishna teaches Arjuna a very important lesson: why doing our duty is a superpower. In the last chapter, Krishna helped Arjuna understand his feelings. He taught him to stay calm and remember that the soul is always strong. Now Arjuna was listening carefully, ready to learn what to do next. Arjuna asked Krishna, "Krishna, if being calm and wise is so important, then why should I act at all? Why not just sit quietly?" Krishna smiled and explained lovingly. Krishna said, "No one can stay without doing work. Everyone must act in life." He explained that doing our duty is important, whether we are students, parents, or teachers. Krishna said, "Do your work with a happy heart and don't worry too much about the results." Krishna gave a simple example. He said, "Do your homework properly, not just for marks, but because learning is important. When we do our work honestly, we become strong inside." Here is the shloka from this chapter. Nahi kaschit kshanamapi jatu tishtatya karma krit karyate hyavashah karma sarva prakriti jair gudaihi. Meaning, no one in this world can stay without doing something. Everyone has work to do: studying, playing, helping, and learning. Doing your duty makes you strong and confident. Hard work is more important than rewards. Helping others is also a duty. Today's Gita challenge: choose one small duty today, like cleaning your room or helping someone, and do it happily. Krishna helped Arjuna understand that action done with love is powerful. In the next chapter, Krishna teaches how wisdom and action work together. See you in chapter 4.